What's up, guys? I'm here in McKinney, Texas at my friend Steve's house. I'm in his personal garage. He's a big-time YouTuber. He's heavy into Japanese cars. And if you've seen his channel, you'll know why. His channel is Steve's POV. I'm in Steve POV's personal garage, and I'm gonna go in his other garage too and show you some of his cool cars. Check it out. First up is a 1986 AE86 Toyota Corolla. This thing, I don't even remember the last time I've seen one of these cars, but they are in big demand and people are going nuts on his channel over the build. Everybody's wanting this car. They're building it, they're painting it, they're making it custom, and you should visit his channel if you want to learn more about it. One of my favorites has Steve's logo right on top of it. Let's pull this sucker out and take a good look at it. One of the more unique cars in my friend's fleet is this 1971 Nissan Skyline Akoska. Steve had a really cool wrap made for this rare car. The wrap is made to look like a Japanese Zero fighter plane. If you live in the McKinney or Dallas, Texas area, you might just see Steve cruising around in this rare car. He shows up at a lot of cool events, so keep your eyes peeled. A Mazda TX7FC from 1986. His son, who we call the Kid, built this car with his dad. They drive it all over the place. You gotta check out more about the build on this car on Steve's channel. I'm gonna show you a picture of this. It's kind of stuffed in there right now, but this is a great car, and we're gonna get it out and take a picture of it. Last but not least, you guys are probably saying, yeah, he likes Japanese cars, but that thing is definitely from Italy. Let me explain something. You gotta go to Steve's YouTube channel and look up a video called Midnight Tokyo Lambo Run, something like that. I hope I didn't get that wrong, but he did a video in Tokyo. It's an award-winning YouTube video of all these crazy supercar guys in Japan. They have got Lambos that are loaded with crazy graphics and neon lights and strobes. And they're driving through the streets of Japan, and it's like nothing you've ever seen before. Although it's not for everyone, I absolutely love it. He brought that culture back to America here and did up his Ferrari like that. This thing is insane. Not only does it look crazy, but it sounds crazy. It's got the loudest exhaust I've ever heard on a Ferrari, and it's got lights all over it. Crazy neon and strobe lights, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. We went down to a parking garage and took some footage of it, so check this out. That was pretty crazy, wasn't it? So, pretty soon I'm gonna have another video coming out because you have to see what we just did with this car. Steve and I took this Ferrari in a rally with a bunch of other supercars across Texas. Wide open, crazy driving across 3 cities in the hot sun. So, you wanna see this thing in action? You're going to. And I got to drive it. So stay tuned for that video. It's coming out very soon. Over in Steve's other garage, a 1971 Datsun 240Z. This thing is killer. It looks like Steve's getting ready to start modifying the car. I'm not sure what he's got planned for it, but I bet you it's on his channel. You hardly ever see these cars anywhere. However, my buddy back home has one exactly like it. His is a Series 1, but it's the same exact color and everything. So I definitely know how much fun this car is to ride around in. I love it. Another really unique vehicle in Steve's collection is this 1990 Nissan Sunny pickup truck. It has the Nissan A12 motor, and this truck has been customized to look like a race truck. It's really cool and low to the ground. I bet it's a blast to drive. And I can't forget this little 1990 Honda Acti truck. That little thing is cool. And finally, a 1993 Nissan Skyline GTS-T. It's the RB25 Turbo. This ends our look at Steve's cars. Please check out his channel, and thanks for watching.